Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel with Florence Straka. In today's video, I'm going to make watermelon banana with milk smoothie, and I'm going to be doing this. Is going to be an experiment which I haven't mixed anything like this before, but I want to see how it's going to taste, and so that's what I'll be making, and I hope it comes out well so you can also try it as well. So just stay with me as I put everything together and give you the taste and let you know how it comes out. So I will see you right now. Okay, so today we are going to do the watermelon banana with milk smoothie, and so I have a quarter cut of watermelon that I'm going to be using. There is some seed in here, but I'm going to make sure I take all the seed out. Sometimes you get the seeded watermelons and sometimes you don't get those. So this is what I got, but we're going to make good use of it. And also I'm going to be using one banana. That's what I'm going to be putting in here. And also half cup of milk. That's all we're going to be using. And so I'm going to cut the watermelon. We just need a half cup of watermelon. That's all I need, because this is only going to be for me. I'm not making too much, but you can always double it, the ingredients. So I am going to just cut that half of that. Just have to be careful with the knife. I'm not using a frozen one. I just want to use a fresh watermelon. Everything is going to be fresh, nothing frozen. But if you do not have fresh produce of the fresh fruits that you want to use, you can substitute for frozen. For me, I just like to do everything fresh so I can enjoy the natural taste of the fruits. And I'm going to put this aside. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to try and take some of the seed that are outside, take those out. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to cut this little by little here, and we're gonna cut it all the way at the bottom here. All enough. It's easier when you do it that way. So now we don't have anything in here. We have all the watermelon we need, and I'm just going to cut this halfway like this, that it will be easy to blend. Alright, so I don't see any seed in this one, so that I'm just gonna separate it, and I'm just gonna put this in the blender. And if there is any seed, try to take them out if you can. If not, that's up to you. For me, I have to be careful with seed. Anything seed that I'm using, I have to be careful with that. I'm gonna put this in here. So this is just like a half cup of watermelon that we'll be using. If you want more, you can always. So there's not much seed in this at all, just one or two. So make sure you get those out. But if you are a seed person, then you can just leave it as is. One more seed in this one. Alright, now that I finished with this, I am now going to do the banana that we have. I'm just going to take the skin off. It is very, very soft, very, very ripe as well. And just remember and take all the strings off the banana and scrape it. You can see that's the string. Take them all out. I don't want them in my smoothie at all. You don't enjoy it when you are drinking your smoothie and then feeling something on your tongue. So I try to just remove everything, and I like how soft it is. It's gonna give us the sweetness. Some people add sweeten to their, I'm just gonna cut it on the board. Some people like to put in other sweetness into their smoothie. I just want to enjoy mine just like that, natural, no, nothing added to it, just to enjoy it like that. So I'm going to put that in. So I'm going to get a lot of smoothie from here. So one banana, 1/2 cup of watermelon, and I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of milk to this. All right, so we are going to add 1/2 cup of milk, and I'm going to just pour this in. It doesn't look like it's going to be that much. So let's just make it 3/4 cup of milk. Got that one too, and that should be enough. So it's going to be 3/4 cup of milk. Perfect, that should be good. All right, now that we put everything together, it's just time for us to just blend everything together and see how it comes out. That's gonna be interesting, and I'll let you know how it tastes. So let's just blend. Oh wow, you can even see the texture already. It's a little bit light because of the watermelon. So we are going to pour this in this glass and look at how it's sizzling, like a little sizzling to it. Wow, that is light, very light. Okay, in here. All right, and I'm going to do the tasting and I'm going to tell you how it comes. Now that you see how light it is, the half cup of milk would have been better. It will make it a little bit thicker. But this is not bad either because it makes it a little lighter. So then you know, if you are just doing 1/2 cup of watermelon, 1 banana, just use 1/2 cup of milk to make it a little bit thicker. If you need more, if you need it to be a little bit light, then you can add more milk to it. But so far, it's not bad. It looks good. So we are going to make the tasting. Okay, so I just finished making the watermelon banana milk smoothie, and I am going to just give it a taste and see how this comes out. It is my first time of mixing these 3 ingredients like this, so let's see how it tastes like. It is very light, very light. You taste the watermelon, you taste the milk, and then the banana in it lightly, but it is just smooth. I don't even know how to explain it. It is very light. I wasn't expecting this taste. The taste is mild. It doesn't have any drink. It is just very light. Right, look, it's very fresh because everything we use is fresh. So I hope you can give it a taste. I hope you can give it a try and see how you like it. For me, I don't think you need to add an ice to this, but that'll be your option if you want. You can just make this and put it in the refrigerator for it to cool more. But everything is already, the watermelon was fresh because it was in the fridge, so that was a little bit cold. It's cool, so it makes everything cools down. I like it. Try it yourself and see how it will come out for you. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you. As always, thank you for staying through this video. I hope you can experiment this and see how it comes out for you. And stay healthy, stay blessed. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.